Bitcoin, November 24th, 2025. Daily update. Alright, this is the monthly time frame. So each candle is 1 month. So we have a uptrend showing here. Then this last candle, we have a large bearish candle. Went down a lot. So we're seeing if it's going to stop here or come down to this lower swing right here. So and that would be around 74,000. Right now it's at 80,000. So we'll have to see how it responds if it comes back after this November dump. Weekly time frame, we got price action going over to 200 MA. So that's bullish overall. And we got these past few weeks have been going down each week. So now we have to see how this newest candle responds, and that might be a turning point. Then go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is price action here went below or under the 200 MA, the yellow line, which is bearish. So you keep on getting lower highs. All these highs, all these V highs are lower and lower, so they're going down here. So right now we have a bearish trend. Go to the 1 hour. All under the 200 MA. Bearish, as we see right here. Got a spike down, then a small spike, and then a rally back up. So let's see if this price action comes above this yellow line at 200 MA. If that does, then it's a sign of some bullishness for this week to come. So at least today is Monday, so it dipped down. Let's see if it dips down a little bit more and then comes back up. On the 15-minute time frame, we got the price action above the 200 MA, and it's riding the 200 MA right now. So this might be a launching pad or a dumping time. So I have to see which way it goes from here. But to address this, we can see here on the 15-minute time frame that if we look at the CME Gap, you have a gap here where there's no candles between these two, from this candle here down to this candle. So there's a gap right here. And you see how this price action came down and is almost filling this gap. Got a little spot here left over that it probably wants to fill. So this little spot is down to about 85,490. When it comes down to that spot, this gap will be filled. And that's probably what it wants to do now. That's why it's coming down to this spot. So down to 490 down here. Once it does that, we'll see where it goes from there. That'd be a good time to launch up overall if it does that. Alright, at the 5-minute, still under the 200 MA, so yeah, that's bearish. On the 1 minute, it just went under the 200 MA, so that's bearish as well too. So it's trying to go down to fill that gap, which is what I kind of expected. Now let's go over to the heat map. We see that there's liquidity right here, this is liquidity down here, and even more liquidity up here. So there's more liquidity up here, but this one is closer. So it might dip down here, fill up this CME Gap, then ride back up to get these guys. So that's looks like what's the play for today on this Monday. But Mondays are sketchy. It's mixed up Mondays, so anything can happen. As far as the calendar, tomorrow's Tuesday. You have a few more red calendars or red folders, and on Wednesday we'll be busy as well too. But at least today, nothing. But the next 2 days will be a busy day. And that's the weekly update for the 24th of November.